What's up, YouTube? What's happening? This Bruce Hathcock coming at you with another random ass video. Um, I've looked at a couple different interfaces in the last 3 videos. We talked about this interface. We talked about the PreSonus interface. We also talked about the universal audio interface here and my recent purchase, which was the Apogee. We talked about the reason why I bought the Apogee was because with the PreSonus interface, listen, if you're just starting out, and I still keep it, and I'm going to do some videos on some really creative ways to use old interfaces instead of getting rid of them, especially PreSonus. I really like so a lot of things about that we'll get into. Someone asked me, what does it sound like? What does the Apogee sound like? And, you know, I'm not the tech dude, but I thought, you know what, I'll play it, something that I'm working on through the speakers. Obviously, I got it to work for the Mac, but let's see what we got. This song hasn't been released yet, but it will be soon. It's not mixed, but here we go.
To myself, why do I bother? Temptation is a mother with no father. Pastor child keeps screaming in my head. Won't let me rest, why won't he just go to bed? Yeah. What's holding you back? Gotta let it go, gotta let it go, gotta let it go. Holding you back, let it go, let it go. What's holding you back? Gotta let it go, gotta let it go, gotta let it go. What's holding you back? What's holding you back?
So yeah, so I recorded all the vocals using that Apogee, and the guitars. Did I use the guitars for the Apogee? I think I used it. Yeah, I would have used it. Yeah, because yeah, it was. Then the guitars was the main problem that I was having with the PreSonus, and the vocals as well, man. Like even going through all of this stuff, and I know some of you mix engineers and producers can make anything sound amazing no matter what you got. But unfortunately, I'm not one of those guys. Like I'm click and play. Like I need to hear it sounding good right out as soon as I hear it. Hence why I have like little stuff like that on, you know, rack equipment, because I can preset certain things in the way I want it to sound and just go with it. But yeah, so for my guy who wanted to see what it sounds like, hope you're still checking for my channel and all of that. Sorry it took me so long to get back to you, but yeah, I think it sounds amazing. I love it. I also just recently got a speaker sort of splitter, which is awesome too, made by it's a central station made by PreSonus. I'm really digging the PreSonus products, so I'll give you a little sample of what happens with that as well. So if I play the song, I've got a few sets of speakers to go out of. So this is speaker A, and that's these here, the M audios.
I often think to myself, why do I bother? Temptation is a mother with no father.
Those are the Elises.
Pastor child keeps screaming in my head.
And then I use that little box right there primarily from now on. That's what I'm going to be really actually focusing my mixes out of. But this allows you to switch between speakers and check it out. If you want to see some more footage on that, more than happy to talk about that as well. But yeah, man, the Apogee sounds fabulous. I love how it feels, sounds, works, everything. And yeah, that's it. Peace. Stay tuned. And check out my music. Subscribe to my channel. Why don't you?